hope you're having a great day and you're all well and safe. As you notice, I'm wearing an absolutely zero of a makeup. I have a chapstick on. That's it. It's because I'm gonna be reviewing, as you've seen already from my title, the brow products, the Makeup Obsession Brow Pencil, the Soft Fine Brow Pencil. Here we go. And I always start my makeup from doing the brows, so I would apply the moisturizer, do the brows, do the rest. So I'm gonna keep my makeup routine and do my brows first. By the way, if you're wondering what happened to my finger, I smashed it in between my car door. I don't even know how I managed to do like this. It's already healing. It's been more than a week, so it's already good, but it was like proper open on both sides. It's still a bit bluish, but I live. It's not broken, so it's all good. It's already looking very good compared to what it looked like. Okay, that aside, I think without any further ado, let's jump into the eyebrows, right? So I usually tint my eyebrows. I haven't done in a month though, so this is my absolute natural brow color. I got this brand new Makeup Obsession brow pencil, so fine brow pencil. I haven't opened yet, but from the picture on the packaging, it looks exactly like Revolution Pro Define and Fill micro brow pencil. We're gonna open up and see how similar or not it is. I have both brand new, dark brown and dark brown, so we'll see if it's matching or not. I'm gonna do one brow with one and another brow with another. Probably wondering why I am taking this brow pencil. It's because I am obsessed with this. Like, if you're following on my Instagram especially, you would see me tagging this constantly in all my posts, because this is what I wear on like a daily basis if I don't wear soap brow thing from Revolution as well. I do soap brows only after I tint my brows, so it has enough, you know, pigment on. So I think without any further ado, let's just open these up and see what we got, right? As I mentioned, I took it in dark brown. What I like about Makeup Obsessions, it's owned by Makeup Revolution, obviously, so it's cruelty free and vegan friendly brand. So far, I just took it out of the box. I really like it because it has this heavy feeling to it, you know. It's not super light. Like, I have this one brow pencil by Revolution by hand and it's super light, so kind of feels, you know, cheap, if that makes sense. I mean, as long as the product works, I don't really care about packaging or anything, but this has the heaviness in it, which I really like. It feels like it's, you know, metal packaging, not the plastic. And I love this light blue, like baby blue color. So it says dark brown so fine brow pencil. One side we got the brush, the grooming brush, and then the other side, where the line, is the actual brow pen. I like what I see. Let's open this Revolution Pro Define and Fill pencil, and you guys will see that it looks exactly the same. And what I like about this brow pencil, I've been obsessed with it. It's like I repurchased it so many times. It has this heaviness to it as well. It feels like a packaging is more metal than, you know, plastic, because this is like so super light, and this has this heaviness in it. So this Makeup Obsessions feels exactly like this Revolution Pro. It feels more like luxurious and more, you know, expensive, although it wasn't at all. It's bargain. Before I went completely cruelty free, I used to be obsessed with the Benefit Precisely My Brow, I think that pencil was called, because I used to use this a lot because I like that it's so precise and it's, you know, you can draw the actual hair strokes. So when I went completely cruelty free, I found out about this brow pencil and I just fell in love, and I've been using this, I don't know, ever since. Any other brow pencil that I purchased, even from Revolution, it just doesn't live up to this, to the quality of this and how easy it is to use. So let's just compare if these two are the same, just by different brands. So far, color-wise, it looks exactly the same. I took both in a dark brown. It's just the packaging is different. Even the size of it, everything is completely the same. So we'll see how it will look on a brow, but so far, I really like it. I feel like it's gonna be the same product. Let's see if it's just the same product in a different packaging. Okay, let's do a little swatch on hand of this Makeup Obsession one and the Revolution Pro. Looks exactly the same to me. I just didn't press the Revolution Pro as hard as I pressed the Makeup Obsessions pencil in. I think I'm gonna start from the Makeup Obsessions. So I'm just gonna do this brow, my left to your right with the Makeup Obsessions, and then my right to your left with the Revolution Pro, and we'll see the difference. Because if it's the same exactly, Makeup Obsessions might be my new favorite. To be honest, I don't think I ever tried anything from Makeup Obsessions, because I usually just get Makeup Revolution or Revolution Pro, even though it's the same brand kinda. Just gonna brush up my brow first to the place. So I usually start from like outer part, underlining a bit, making an underline. Oh, I like this glide, super easy. This actually might be my new favorite. It feels very creamy. It's not like super hard to fill in the brows. I don't know if that makes sense. With some brow products, the pen, like the pencil itself, is very hard. So you kind of need to force it a bit in, but this feels very, very creamy. I'm not going to a front yet because I don't want my brows to look like a block. I prefer to concentrate on the outer part more. Going to this brush side, this spoolie. No product in the front of the brow. As you notice, I just brush the product that we applied, you know, in the middle and the outer corner of the brow to the front. So that gives that, you know, ombre look, and it's not that big block of the brow. Alright, so this super easy to use. I'm just brushing the brow hair into the place. See the difference? I'm gonna go for this brown with the Revolution Pro one, the Define and Fill brow pencil. Brush the hair into place first. You know, after you use more than a few times the brow pencil, so this spoolie part already catches some product. So later, sometimes I don't even put product directly on the brow. I just use what's on the spoolie. So kind of cleans the spoolie and all the product stuck on the brow hair, and you're done. So that's even like easier. It's a tip for you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna do exactly the same with the Revolution Pro brow pencil. See if the color match. Good thing I'm not wearing any makeup, so I can clean it off if colors doesn't match. So far so good actually. Like, it looks exactly the same to me and feels exactly the same while applying it on. I'm very confused. I feel like it's exactly the same product by kind of the same company, you know, it's like a sister brand. Very strange. I'm rather confused. Like, if that wouldn't have brand name on it, I would just think it's exactly the same product, you know? Going to the spoolie part. I'm just gonna brush it. Alright, now that was fairly quick, don't you think, guys? Like, the brows are done. I would just apply some clear gel and that would be me, you know? I don't know about you guys, but to me, this looks like exactly the same product. Like, I can't tell the difference. I couldn't say, you know, that this is this brow pencil and then this is this one. It feels exactly the same. The packaging wise is like the same heavy. It's like packed in the metal rather than a plastic tube. The same size, the same like precision pencil, exactly the same dimension and size, the same spoolie, the same color. I took both in a dark brown. They completely match. It's exactly the same shade, like one on one. I can't feel either. It feels very creamy when applying, so it doesn't drag the brow, you know, around. And once it's gonna be set with a gel, it's just gonna stay all day long, because at least this Revolution Pro does that. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna do exactly the same, because it's identical in my eyes. So now I have more than one brow pencil to play for sure. It's like, I can't tell the difference, can you guys? Honestly, I can't tell the difference between both brows at all, like whatsoever. To me, it looks exactly the same. Like, I'm looking at the mirror, can't tell, you know, the difference between color or brow pencil itself. So I would recommend both, because I've been obsessed for, I don't know, ever since I found out about this brow pencil. I've been absolutely obsessed with this. So this is my new obsession. Makeup obsession, here we go. Got it. So this one, makeup obsession, so fine brow pencil, going to be my new obsession. You're gonna see me using both of these pencils in my future videos for sure. Have you guys tried any of these brow pencils yet? If so, leave a comment down below, let me know if you have or you haven't. As I said, I've been obsessed with this one, and I'm definitely gonna be using this one, and it's cruelty free and vegan friendly as well, which is absolutely amazing. And I love its metal packaging. I love the way it looks on the brows. Actually, we can do a quick test and just rub through to see if we're gonna leave any mark. Just gonna quickly rub. It ain't bad. I mean, look at that. That's good. My new favorite brown pencil. Here you go. You know, product is exactly the same. Why not get the cheaper one then? If it does exactly the same job and, you know, looks exactly the same. So yeah, I really hope you guys found this video helpful. If so, please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see next up on my channel, and I shall see you very, very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye. Have an amazing day, you guys. See you soon.